Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And before we even begin with this beautiful Bible study in Proverbs, all honor and glory and praise goes to Jehovah God in Yeshua's name. Proverbs chapter 30. The words of Abdur, the son of Jakeh, even the prophecy. The man spake unto Ithiel, even unto Ithiel and Ukah. Surely I am more brutish than any man, and have not the understanding of a man. I neither learned wisdom, nor have a knowledge of the holy. Who hath ascended up into heaven, or descended? Who hath gathered the wind in his fist? Who hath bound the waters in a garment? Who hath established all the ends of the earth? What is his name? And what is his son's name? If thou canst tell. Every word of God is pure. He is a shield unto them that put their trust in him. Add thou not unto his words, lest he reprove thee, and thou be found a liar. Two things have I required of thee. Deny me them not before I die. Remove far from me vanity and lies. Give me neither poverty nor riches. Feed me with food convenient for me, lest I be full and deny thee and say, Who is the Lord? Or lest I be poor and steal and take the name of God in vain. Accuse not a servant unto his master, lest he curse thee, and thou be found guilty. There is a generation that curses their father, and doth not bless their mother. There is a generation that are pure in their own eyes, and yet is not washed from their filthiness. There is a generation, oh how lofty are their eyes, and their eyelids are lifted up. There is a generation whose teeth are as swords, and their jaw teeth as knives, to devour the poor from off the earth, and the needy from among men.